Hey YouTube, welcome to my Hail Blizzard and Psycho Drive booster box openings. I took a vote a while ago and people wanted to do Hail Blizzard first, so I'm going to be doing that first. I got 6 boxes, guys, so I'm going to be opening 4, 2 of each, and keeping 2 of them sealed, mainly for my personal collection. I know I'm not going to be able to complete the set with all of these anyways. I'm going to try to complete it with trading, and who knows, maybe I'll buy more. A little background about this set. I got this from Poly 100. Really good price actually, and they also Poly 100 also threw in a very cool thing that I want to show you guys. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and show you this. Get a pretty good look at this poster that they sent me. Very cool. Love it. I really appreciate them sending this to me. So yeah. Back to this. I've got the list up on my screen on my little laptop right here. So in case I forget a name or two, I know I'm not going to remember all of them, but I'm going to try my best. I've been just pretty excited to get these because it brings back old memories. You know, the old school cards are in these sets. I like that a lot. They went back to the EX, which is really cool. There's also, I don't know if you, I know you guys have sure if you guys have watched Sasuke 222's openings of these. Poketernity has some. Antoine Key, HSF 144 also has opened up one of these boxes before. They're really cool. There are some cards in here that are extremely hard to get. I finally figured out the ratio in this box for what I believe Sasuke 222 was looking for. Those two guys were they've been looking for the shiny, which is supposed to be a a secret rare, and it's about 1 in 8 boxes. Not even joking. It's about 1 in 6 to 8 boxes that you'll pull one. They're extremely hard to get. There's a total of 4 of them, so I have no idea how anyone's supposed to complete this set. Another thing is these are themed, obviously psychic and water type themed. They have another one coming out in a few months that will be dark themed, and rumor has it they might do grass and fire. So who knows, maybe a Charizard EX will be coming back to us. So this is Hail Blizzard. Got a really cool box. Love the artwork on it. It's first edition, obviously. Go ahead and get it open. I'm going to try to do these in 2 parts. I'm going to go ahead and take them all out. Make it a little bit easier. Here's really cool. Awesome. So I used to have a pretty good secret to opening Japanese packs. There is a weak point in the top, but I don't really like that way because it ruins the pack. So I'm going to try my old-fashioned way that I used to do this. If I can get my fingers from being sweaty. And that didn't work at all. Holy crap. So yeah, these are extremely hard to open, apparently. I'm gonna have to watch out for that. Gonna have to figure a way to fix that. So I don't know all of these cards, so hopefully go through them and see what is what. See if I can figure out what this one's called. Oh, Vanillite. Oh, okay, cool. Wigglytuff. Darmaka, Hippowdon, double colorless, and they come with these little cool, advertisements. Oops, that didn't work either. Might end up having to cut a few of these so I can have them really nice. Forgot what this one's called too. Dang. See. Oh, here we go. Ponard. Interesting name. This is one of the ones that's supposed to be a secret rare. Not this one exactly, but I think one of its evolutions. But yeah, I'm not going to go too much into it because I know I'm wasting a little bit of time. But a little. Ooh, nice. First holo. Really like the holos in this version. Another one. Wow, okay, cool. So first holo, very cool. The ratio in holo and EXs are really good in this, especially if only having 5 cards. Wow. So yeah, it looks like they've really taped it down pretty good now. Riolu, Cubchoo. Ooh, what is this one called? I have never seen this card before. It is called a... what the heck? Oh, I have no idea. And then, wow, very cool. Groudon EX. That's awesome. And then we have a level ball. Cool. Very nice. I think the card I'm really wanting to get out of all these would be Mewtwo and the Shaman. Jigglypuff. Ooh, Deerling. Or Sawsbuck, I think it is. Whoa, I have never seen that card. Very interesting. I'm gonna go ahead and try the other way since this is the way everyone else has done it so far. It's worked out for them, but very cool Pikachu. Sneasel, can't believe they brought him back. But forgot his name already. I think it's Braviary. Ooh, nice Lucario. Very cool. Awesome. Really like those advertising cards. They're pretty cool. It amazes me how they've changed these packs over just like a few sets to make them super duper strong. It's pretty crazy. Vanillite. I am really determined to find this card. I do not know why I could not find it the first time. Litwick. Okay. Very cool. And I don't know why I don't remember this one. Pansage. Lilligant. And Pokemon Center. Looks like a little mushroom guy. Simisage and a Lapras. Nice. I'm glad they brought this guy back. Really determined to save a few of these packs, so we're going to cheat a little bit. Because I really need some of these packs. I use these packs to organize my cards. Believe it or not. Very cool. Is that Ponard again? The Petalo. Ooh, I've not seen this before. This is a really nice holo. It's awesome. Vanillux. Very cool. And then a Lapras. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 2 packs left. For this part, do them in 2 parts each box. We'll go from there. Riolu, Vanilla, Pansage, Unpheasant, Weavile, I'm hoping to be able to pull one of those shinies. They look pretty cool. But I haven't seen anyone out of everyone on YouTube that's opened one of these. So far, no one's pulled any, which is, if you ask me, crazy. Litwick, pretty nice one. Pidove, Petalil, and we'll do Pansy. I don't remember this one, but yeah. So overall, really good pulls. I'm gonna have to say, really like the Lucario. I know if I get another one, Foxnox is definitely gonna hit me up for that one. Then Groudon EX, very cool. So guys, stay tuned for part 2, and thanks for watching.